Now, the pandemic forced the closure of many theatre spaces, but as the economy rebounds, there's a new player on the scene. It's theatre. Here's Aisha Nation with the Business Review.
It's dreams, it's goals, it's execution, and it's theatre. Johnique Francis, owner, writer, and producer of the company, saw her high school vision made profitable.
I was in the Arden High School Drama Club, and we've always wanted to host our own production. I reached out to my closest friends who are also actors to say that I'm finally going to put on my own production, and I want you to be a part of it. However, it's my first time, so I don't know if it's going to be a profit or not. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to pay you, but I want you to trust me and trust the process, and let's see how this works. And all of them were willing to come on board. They came on board not knowing if they will be paid or if they will be compensated in any form. And after our first production, I was able to pay everybody and we had profits. So yeah, it really started up with nothing.
It's theatre, which began in summer this year, has seen a 40% increase at the end of its second quarter, a business progressing on a family of friends. Ms. Francis says her promotion strategy shaved thousands of her expenses.
For promotion, I randomly started a WhatsApp group with 120 persons. I just say, can you join a WhatsApp group? I'll be the only one able to share and post in it, and you just share the content. And that took care of promotion.
There is a lesson woven in each production.
So we have you laugh and enjoy yourself, but at the end of the day, persons still got a message. There was a message. And someone from UNESCO was there, and based on their goals for parenting and families, they would want to partner with us to bring across the message in an entertaining way. So it goes to show that it's good edutainment.
She has big dreams for the company.
Ideally, I want it to be like a parent company. So I want to have its theatre, its bar and grill, its salon. So I want to have a whole line. And then once you hear it, you'll associate it with quality. So for next year, for Child's Month, we're trying to show the play to as much schools as possible. So for the entire month of May, schools will be coming in to watch Picnic Worries.
For the Business Review, I'm Aisha Nation.